Hey kiddos, it's Miss Childers. Today we are going to play Simon Says. So you have to do exactly what I say, but there's a twist. Okay, so what we have to do is figure out what body part I am telling you to move. Okay, so are you ready? All right, Simon says, tap your toes. Toes. What are you going to tap? Your toes. Good job. Tap your toes. Good job. Okay, next one. Give yourself a g. G. Give yourself a hug. Very good. Give yourself a hug. All right, next one. Simon says, touch your nose. 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 Very good. Use one leg to up. Up. What are you going to use one leg for? To hop. Hop on one leg. Okay. Simon says clap. 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 Very good. All right. And the last one. Give your friend a wave. 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 Very good. All right. So now what I want you to do, I want you to still listen, but this time what you're going to do is you're going to tap your nose and tell me how many sounds you hear. I want you... It's on my desk. Sorry. That's my son, Luca. What I want you to do is tap your nose with how many sounds you hear. So if I say mom, you're going to go Okay, you ready? All right, here's the first one. Shell. Shell. All right, you ready? Sh-e-l. Sh-e-l. Very good. Next one, you ready? Bag. Bag. B-a-g. Good. Next one is red. Red. R-e-d. Red. Very good. The next one is dig. Dig. D-ig. Very good. The next one is chop. Chop. Ch-op. Ch-op. Good. And the last one is shock. You ready? Shock. Sh-a-k. Very good. Sh-a-k. All right. So now what we're going to do is I want you to pause this and I want you to go get paper and pencil and we are going to practice writing out words. All right. So if you don't have paper and pencil, I want you to go get it right now. Okay. You got to pause the video first. All right. So, I'm trying to figure out how to